We're at the Air Museum in Dayton, Oregon. This is the Spruce Goose. It's like the whole hangar. I love those old radial engines. Look at, here's a whole small airplane. You can put it inside that Spruce Goose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 engines. God, that thing looks small for a biplane. I didn't know they were that small. I wonder if this is a miniature. Oh. Funny looking but fun. Some pilots have painted the baby Great Lakes. Well, it might not be much to look at, but you should feel it fly. Cool. Brass tipped propeller. Fallon. I don't know anything about airplanes. This stuff is just dwarfed under the wing of the Spruce Goose. Oh good, we can go inside too. Douglas DC-3A. Wow. Wonder how long they... I thought those radial engines were really old stuff. 1938. Man, this looks pretty snazzy for 1938. All those rivets probably put in by hand. Huge tires. Man. Oh man, I'd love to hear one of these babies start up. I bet it'd be loud. North American P-51 Mustang. Look at the gun holes. Rainy day, so there's plenty of folks here at the museum. Rainy day in Oregon. Supermarine Spitfire Mark 15, 1945. The Spitfire is an absolutely beauty. Yes, it is. That and those P-51 Mustangs. An F-84 Thunderstreak, 1950. Man, oh man, got enough switches and dials. It doesn't look too comfortable either. Made to go. Alright, historic moment. Stepping into the Spruce Goose. Amazing. It's like a double-decker compared to the rest of them. Spiral staircase to get to the, what do you call it, the pilot's cockpit, flight deck. There's the door. Here we are under the wing and engines.
Is that a 330 group?
Pretty big for today. This is the drill bit that made Mr. Hughes the wealthy man he was. And I don't know what I'm talking about. This thing's got 28 cylinders. Does it tell the horsepower?
3,000.
3,000 horsepower. We're talking 8 of these. 8 of these on this aircraft. The Spruce Goose. The Spruce Goose is really made out of birch. It's pretty amazing to see this stuff in person. You know, you see it on TV over the years, but now you get an actual chance to being up close and personal with it. There's Easy Jeezy and his sandrail. The moon buggy. Even got a beer cooler in the front. Tactical black. SR-71 Blackbird, 2,200 mile-an-hour top speed. Fastest and highest. There's a, looks like unmanned, something smaller. Lockheed GTD 218 drone.
That's it.
There's
Hope
a
you
drone
enjoyed the
for
tour.
you.
Thanks for watching. Easy Jeezy out.
Concept design.